This came from, here, Quortez. Say thank you, Shirley.
Enjoy an apple.
Yeah, this is from Shirley from Papa's job, where he works at.
Can you show the front?
Show them what it is. He said,
Open.
you want to open it?
Yeah.
Oh, look, Moana.
Papa.
Yeah.
Hannah.
Oh, it's Anna.
Yeah.
Wow.
Let's see what it look like. Ready? Go ahead.
That's cool, huh?
Go ahead. Pull. Pull it. Pull this. Okay, ready? Y'all hear that? Wow. Wow. He said, wow.
Open.
Want me to open it for you? Here, dump it out. There it goes. There it goes. He said, wow.
Moana.
Oh, he said, Moana. Y'all know he liked that movie.
Yes.
Come on.
Who is that?
Right.
Hannah.
Yeah. Oh, look. Lion
That's the
King.
Lion King.
And what's the
Wow.
and what's the other one? Mermaid.
I think moment.
Yeah. Hey, look. Say thank you. Look over here. Say thank you, Shirley. Oh, thank you, sweetie. You can already tell he's gonna love it. He said, "No, mine."
Morning.
Yeah. Say, look. Say Merry Christmas.
Good.